Jungle Scout versus Helium 10 versus AMZ Scout, which is better for you? In this video, I will explain each and everything that the success of your Amazon business depend primarily on selling the right product to ensure that you are making or finding the correct unsaturated niche that you can sell your products, right? So first of all, the key things we will talk about regarding this Amazon Scout, Jungle Scout and Helium 10, all of these tools are used for product research, keyword research and listing optimization. With the help of this tool, seller can assess the demand, competition and profitability, right? So all this, majority of the things regarding the keyword research or the database and everything, each software provide you, similar. There is not a huge difference between the similar. And if you talk about the accuracy, there is no different factors which we can impact the success of Amazon business, but the preciousness of sales estimate in the most crucial one. We have conducted an experiment to compare the accuracy of these three prominent product research tool. The accuracy of sale estimation from this tool can be indicated the reliability on which software of a seller, right? So all of these tools show an estimate of sales which will calculated basis on the product category and BSR. So how accurate is Jungle Scout? Many users find Jungle Scout to be reasonably accurate. However, based on the data, it appears that Jungle Scout may sometimes overestimate its sales number but by more than 2 times. Is Helium 10 accurate? Let's talk about it. In general, Helium 10 is deemed accurate by most users. This tool may also overestimate sales number by 2 times and more, which can significantly impact its reliability. Now let's talk about the AMZ Scout. Yes, it is. The estimation of the, in the AMZ Scout, while it can produce minor occasional error, this tool doesn't tend to overestimate sales. So in conclusion, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout majority of time overestimate the sales, but AMZ Scout doesn't, right? So it's up to you for which of the things you want to buy. You can just go and, explore of each and every software, the pages, the pricing, the budget and everything, and then you can end up to a conclusion that which software should we use. I hope you found this video very useful.